Two programs of People's Television have been given special citations for their efforts in promoting gender equality. This is in connection with the celebration of Women's Month this March. Jade Miguel reports.
Media institutions have been awarded in Gantimpala Awards for Media, which cites outstanding media outfits for their efforts in promoting gender equality. The awarding is in connection with the celebration of Women's Month this March.
Yung Gantimpala Awards, siya yung initiative siya ng MJEC, diba? Yun yung Gender Equality Committee na binubuo ng iba't ibang agencies tulad ng PCO, ng Philippine Commission on the Role of Philippine Commission Women, no? PCW, and iba pang ahensya ng gobyerno. Napakahalaga nito kasi kinikilala niya yung mahalagang papel ng kababaihan. Saka kinikilala yung mga achievements ng mga kababaihan na nagpa-practice ng media na nagpo-promote na equality.
Prior to the event, a Women in Media Summit was held wherein speakers shared their views on the media's representation of women and the actions done by agencies such as Philippine Commission on Women or PCW and MTRCB to monitor media content. According to PCW Chair Medius Rican, the move to educate media to initiate efforts to promote gender equality must be further intensified.
So ang kailangan makita ng media, tingin ko, more analysis, mag-aral din paano kaya nagbibigay nga kami ng gender sensitivity training sa mga media people, how to write about women's issue, diba? Kasi ang gender kasi, yung gender issue, iba kasi ang issue ng mga babaeng may kaya o mayaman. Iba ang issue ng mga babaeng middle class na nagtatrabaho at the same time pamilya. Iba yung issue ng mga mahihirap. So dapat nila yon, i-project nila yon. Para ang projection parang babae pare-pareho lang. Parang walang pagbabago in terms of class, in terms of doon sa mga hindi nakapag-aral, sa mga nakapag-aral. Kasi kuminsan pa kung yung pangawalang pinag-aralan, mas may puso sa kapwang mahirap, di ba? So, paano pag-aralan yun para ma-project yung katotohanan?
Meanwhile, the Gantimpala Awards recognized winners in 4 categories. These are Gender Fair Radio, Print, Television, and Film. In the print category, Women's Journal was announced as winner, while Balintatao program of DZRH won in the radio category. Moreover, GMA7's Kapuso Mo Jessica Soho earned the Gender Fair Television Award, while Barbara Steels bagged the Gender Fair Film Award. Special citations were given to 2 of our very own PTV programs. These are Veronica Chronicles, hosted by Miss Veronica Baluyot Jimenez, and Personage by Carla Lizardo.
Sobrang exciting. It's such an honor to be given recognition. Dahil nga yung Personage, yung main purpose ng show natin is to show the lives of inspiring Filipinos, inspiring outstanding Filipinos, para maging inspiration rin sila talaga sa lahat ng mga tao na nanonood sa Personage. So every time na mabigyang recognition yung show namin, nakakatuwa kasi it's really for the people who were on the show.
Siyempre, I'm very, very happy, no? Nais ko rin pasalamatan itong Gantimpala sa pagbibigay nitong pagkilala sa aming mga pagsisikap na magkaroon ng makabuluhan at patas na pagtalakay sa mga usapin at issue ng bayan. At siyempre, ito yung magsisilbing inspirasyon sa amin para lalo pang pagbutihin at lalo pang magsumikap para mas lalo pang gumanda ang The Veronica Chronicles. At ganun din para magsumikap din kami na magkaroon ng mas maraming pang magagandang programa para sa People's Television.
For the People's Television, this is Jade Miguel reporting.